Right? So here's some compost I'm making. This all came from this heap, which, as you can see, based on the colour, it was up to here. Basically, all my food waste, grass cuttings, shredded cardboard, all gets dumped in here. Just, that's kind of hard to do one-handed. Just piled in here. It's not very tall at the moment. So a week and a half ago I emptied this, took all the bottom bit, dumped it into this bin, and this is what I'm left with. This will now get added into containers, pots, dumped on the ground. It will integrate with the soil and improve the soil. But I'm just filtering out all shit in here, like so many fucking sticks. Yeah, fun times. I harvested about 200 plus litres of compost, and out of my gardening journey, that's been the most rewarding thing, because this is fucking effort. You know, chopping up all the things, chopping up all the weeds, all the greens, chopping up cardboard, turning it. There's been a lot of labour. So growing stuff like vegetables has been fun, but this has been the most work. But hopefully I'll never have to buy compost again, because between this and all that, I should be okay for the next year. And it's continual, you know, all the food I don't eat, like peels of vegetables, go in here. Well, sorry, the other bin. And sort of a circle of life. I was killing slugs at one point, and all the dead slugs I would dump in the compost. They would sort of rot down, and then they feed the soil. So nothing goes to waste. I've not thrown any food away, I've not recycled any paper, thrown any food. All goes back to nature. Yeah. It's the circle of life.